English dictation start. Honorable Vice Chairman Sir, I stand to congratulate the Agriculture Ministry for raising the position of India from the status of food deficit to food self-reliance. Really, it is a very happy occasion to express my thanks to the Agriculture Ministry. Not only has the Agriculture Ministry managed to raise the production, the present policy of the government has made us to believe that India can export food in a few years. Really, it is a very heartening thought and idea. The Agriculture Ministry deserves congratulations as it has not only managed to produce more but it has ensured future production of the country by amicable settlement of the long-standing river disputes. My friend has just expressed that this happy event of agricultural production in India is not due to the initiative taken by the Ministry of Agriculture. He wants to say that it is due to monsoon. But I want to lay emphasis on the fact that it is due to emergency. The 20-point program and the initiative taken by the ministry. This pessimism has done enough harm to the country. So I request my friend to put a halt to such pessimism being spread in the country. Para. Another serious allegation has been made that Congress MPs are not sincere about land reforms. But I would like to remind my honorable colleagues that during the last fortnight, throughout the length and breadth of the country, the Congress MPs undertook padayatras for bringing about land reforms. On no occasion did any public man make this allegation. I request my friend to withdraw this serious charge. I throw down my gauntlet as a challenge. He is to prove his allegation. I say that is totally false and is not based on truth. Para. Sir, I thank the ministry for its decision to establish an agricultural research complex in the eastern region. The research will take initiative to persuade the tribal people to take to stabilized cultivation in place of zoom cultivation. This zoom system of cultivation has not only done enough harm to the forest wealth, but it is adding momentum to the floods in the valley. This research center should take the initiative to make a study and put a stop to zoom system of cultivation among the tribal people. Para. Sir, Assam has shown progress in matters of land reform and procurement of paddy. It has exceeded the target of procurement fixed earlier. The floods in the state of Assam are an annual feature. The average annual loss in Assam due to floods is rupees 170 crores. This year has been a floodless year. Even then, the damage came to rupees 120 crores. In spite of all this havoc caused by the Brahmaputra, the country should regard this mighty river as one of the greatest boons to the country because of its vast resources. Apart from producing energy, it provides water for irrigation purposes, drinking purposes, and for transportation of goods.